Mom, where's my phone?
I don't know, sweetie. Did you check your room?
Yeah, I looked everywhere.
Did you look under the bed?
Yes, I did. It's not there.
Did you check the living room?
Not yet.
Go look. Maybe you left it on the sofa.
Oh, right. I was watching TV earlier.
Check the sofa, or maybe under the pillows.
Okay, I'll go now.
Tell me if you find it.
Mom, I found it.
Where was it?
Under the pillow on the sofa.
See, I told you to look there.
You were right, Mom.
You always lose your phone.
I know. Sorry, Mom.
Try keeping it in one place next time.
I will. I don't want to lose it again.
Maybe use a small basket on your desk.
That's a good idea. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Now go wash your hands. It's time for dinner.
Got it, Mom. And thanks for helping me.
Anytime, sweetheart.
Mom, it's raining outside.
Yes, it is.
Can I go out to play?
No, Henry. It's too wet today.
But I want to do something fun.
You can play indoors.
I'm bored. Let's bake cookies.
Cookies? That's a great idea. Go wash your hands first.
I'm ready.
We need flour, sugar, and 2 eggs.
I got the flour.
Good. Now pass me the sugar.
Here you go. What's next?
Crack the eggs.
1, 2. Now mix everything.
Yes, stir it well.
It looks funny.
It will taste yummy.
Can I eat now?
Not yet. We need to bake them first.
How long?
About 15 minutes.
I'm hungry already.
Let's clean the table while we wait.
Okay, I'll help.
Thanks, Alex. It smells so good.
Almost done. Can I have 2 cookies?
You can have 3.
Woohoo! Rainy days are the best.
They are when we're together.
Henry, are you feeling okay?
Not really, Mom. I feel sick.
What's hurting?
My head and throat.
Let me check your temperature. Yes, you have a fever.
Oh, no.
We'll go see the doctor today.
Okay. Thanks, Mom.
I'll call for an appointment.
I hope it's soon.
3 p.m. today.
That's not too bad.
Drink some water.
I will.
Do you want some soup?
Yes, please.
Lie down and rest on the sofa.
Okay.
I'll bring your medicine.
Thanks, Mom.
We'll leave at 2:30, okay?
Got it. I'll be okay, right?
Of course, sweetheart. You'll feel better soon.
I love you, Mom.
Henry, time to wake up.
Still sleepy, Mom.
It's already 10 o'clock.
Do I have to get up now?
Yes! Don't waste the whole day.
All right, I'm up.
Go wash your face.
Okay.
Feeling fresh now?
Yeah, much better.
Are you hungry?
Super hungry.
I made eggs and toast.
Yay! Thanks, Mom.
Sit down and eat.
Smells good.
What's your plan today?
Maybe clean my room.
Good. It's a mess in there.
I know, I'll do it.
Don't forget your laundry.
I'll take care of it.
Then you can relax a bit.
I might watch a movie later.
Just one, okay? Help me with dinner afterward.
Sure.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thanks again. You're the best.
Henry, can we chat for a bit?
Sure, Mom. What's up?
Nothing bad. I just wanted to talk.
Okay, I'm all ears.
You've been quiet lately.
I've just been thinking.
About what?
My future and life in general.
That's normal, Henry. You're growing.
I feel kind of lost.
How so?
I don't know what I really want yet.
And that's okay. You don't have to figure it all out now.
But it feels like everyone else has it together.
Most people are just pretending, believe me.
Even you and Dad?
Especially us.
I feel pressure from school, from everything.
That's a lot to carry.
I don't want to disappoint you.
Son, you never have. I love you for who you are.
Even if I change my path?
Yes, I'm proud of you no matter what.
Thanks, Mom. I needed to hear that.
Want to take a short break to rest your mind?
Yeah, maybe that's a good idea.
Recharge, but stay true to yourself.
I'll do my best.
That's all I ask. I'm here for you, always.
I love you, Mom.